In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Twitch account from OBS Studio. So go ahead and open your OBS Studio and click on Settings. In Settings, select Stream. And as you can see, I've already connected my Twitch account with OBS. So from this service, select Twitch and then just click on Disconnect Account and click on Yes. And click on Apply and OK. And your Twitch account has successfully disconnected from your OBS. And here's another way to do it. You can just go to your Twitch account after login, click on your profile photo and click on Settings. From your Twitch settings, select Connections. Here scroll down. Under Other Connections, you have to find out OBS Studio. So here it is. Now just click on Disconnect to disconnect your OBS Studio from Twitch. Thanks for watching.